Hey everyone, we're about halfway through the grilling season this year, and I want to clean my grill, and I wanted you to come along with me. So the first thing I want to do is take this grate out. Now this one does have a top rack, you can see it over here, but I take it out because if you are doing like a ham or turkey on here, it's not enough room, so you got to take the top shelf out. But what I've done is I put down aluminum foil on this tray, and that makes it a little bit easier whenever it's time to clean. I can just lift this out, put a new one on, ready to go. Forgot to put on gloves a while ago. Instantly regretted touching that tray. We're gonna pull this up, gonna fold it in on itself. Next thing I'm gonna do is I've got a cheapo putty knife, and I'm gonna use this to scrape down all the sides, and then I've got a little DeWalt vacuum that I'm gonna suck all this up with. Works really well. We'll do that now. I didn't get everything, as you can tell. There's still some residual. I didn't get the top any, but that's not really the dirtiest part. But I want to keep some for just seasoning and leave some for seed for the next time. But I think I did pretty good. Our reservoir looks great, and we're ready for smoked bologna. So this right here is where your juices and seasoning and everything falls down and collects. And I wrap this with aluminum foil. It's a little bit easier to clean. You just kind of pile it all up and throw it out and put some new on. You're ready to go. One thing that I will tell you, if you do have this, right below the chimney over here is my juice and grease collection bucket. And this thing is angled towards that, so as it drips down, it runs off into this pail. What I would do if I were you is, if you're gonna wrap it in aluminum foil, is to start at the bottom and layer it up like shingles where it overlaps, so as it falls here, it doesn't travel under the next piece of aluminum foil. So that's what I would do, and it's not a perfect system. As you can tell, I still got stuff underneath, but passing along that information to you. One thing that I did fail to mention that I want to add is, whenever you are overlapping your foil, make sure to leave about 2 to 3 inch overlap underneath of your next top piece. Last thing what I'm going to do is put my grate back on, which I don't clean because right before I cook, whenever the smoker comes up to temperature, I just brush it with a grill brush, so I'm not really worried about that today. Alright, and that is one pellet grill ready for the next cook, and ready for another couple more months of the summer cooking and smoking that we're going to do. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. If you learned something, please hit a like and comment or subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.